Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, I'm going to teach you how to get business credit regardless of your personal credit quality. So you can get approved for business credit accounts regardless of consumer credit quality, because when you apply and build business credit the right way, in most cases, you're not even supplying your social security number on the application, and in scenarios where you are, you're not giving them the permission they need to pull your consumer credit. So with no social security number supplied, there's no consumer credit check that could even take place. So for this reason, you can obtain high limit revolving business credit accounts regardless of your consumer credit quality, no matter how good or bad your consumer credit may be. The key is to make sure that you're applying for business credit accounts in the right order. And to do so, you can grab our free guide at creditsuite.com/tips that maps out the exact steps in order to build business credit so you get the right tiers of credit where you can get away with not providing the personal guarantee or the consumer credit check.